1883 to 2022, more than 1000 programming languages were created. Now the question is, which one we should learn in 2023? Wait, but what if you are watching this video in 2030? Hey guys, I am Rubaid Swapnil, and I have also found out a lifetime solution for this. To know which programming language you should learn, you need to identify three things. Number one, how long it takes. The thing you want to learn, does it take 1 day, 1 month, or 1 year? Number two, job market. You need to look how much this language is used in the field. Number three, overall efficiency. The thing you want to do, does the language fulfill it or not? However, in 2023, I found 5 programming languages that can help you on purpose. Number 5. Swift. Swift is a general purpose compiled programming language developed by Apple and the open source community. It was first released in 2014. Swift was developed as a replacement for Apple's earlier programming language C. Swift is heavily used across Apple's ecosystem of apps. Many top companies, including Uber, Lyft, Facebook, Airbnb, and LinkedIn, use the Swift language to write most of their iOS-based apps. Some Swift developers in companies like IBM have been known to use this language for server-side development. Number 4. Both C and C++. C is called the mother language of programming. It was created by Danish Ritchie and released in 1970. By design, C's features clearly reflect the capabilities of the targeted CPUs. C is commonly used on computer architectures that range from the largest supercomputers to the smallest microcontrollers and embedded systems. Databases and compilers use C language. While developing a new language, C is used most. Like Python was created from C. Most of the OS are created with C, including Windows. Then what about Linux? Now, if you want to learn about Linux, I will encourage you to watch my video on Linux. C++ is an advanced version of C. It is used in web development and game development. Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and many others use these two languages. Number 3. JavaScript. JavaScript is used by programmers across the world to create dynamic and interactive web content like applications and browsers. JavaScript is so popular that it is one of the most used programming language in the world. Used as a client-side programming language by 97% of all websites. Facebook, Google, Microsoft, PayPal, LinkedIn, Instagram, Walmart, Uber, and many others use JavaScript. Number 2. Java. Java is a high-level programming language. It has largest community, repositories, and all Android and app developers use it for software framework, mobile application, and OS development. Airbnb, Google, eBay, Spotify, TripAdvisor, Intel, everyone use Java. Number 1. Python. Python is the most easiest and at the same time most effective programming language. Python can do most of the work that Java can, but in a simple way. It is used in data science and data analysis. Python is used by Intel, IBM, NASA, Pixar, Netflix, Facebook, Spotify, and a number of other massive companies. It is one of the 4 main languages at Google, whilst Google YouTube is largely written in Python. In the end, guys, if you find this video helpful, then feel free to subscribe for more. And your one like helps YouTube algorithm to promote this video to others. Have a good day and so long.